All right, it's that time of day. It's time for the end of day report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger Report. All right, I'm very much in a hurry tonight, so let's get right into the charts. We're celebrating Bitcoin week, but I got an overwhelming response of inquiries in the trading room, so I promised a few people that I would add a couple of charts other than just doing the Bitcoin and calling it a day. So here we go. First chart, of course, is Bitcoin. As you can see here, the rally alert was here, and we keep getting this nice upside production. Market was able to push beyond the that overhead resistance, and now we're getting into the $55,000 to $60,000 dollar range. And if we can continue to get this sort of a push, I think 60,000 should be reachable by the end of the week. So right now, Bitcoin is on fire. So Bitcoin week, what can you say about that? The market is performing well for Bitcoin week. And if you haven't not already done so, go to PulseWaveTrading.com so you can sign up for your free account so you can follow along with us on Bitcoin week and see how we do what we do. All right, next up we got, like I said, I'm in a hurry, so I'm not taking any extra things tonight. I already got my list because I got to run. Running late. All right, next up is a Litecoin. This is a request from the trading room. Same thing. It's moving with Bitcoin, but not with the same amount of velocity. But nevertheless, we got this upside production. Here is your rally alert. And here's a continued upside production. Looks like we're going to try to hit probably 250 on this Litecoin. So we're going to keep our eyes open and continue to follow the dashboard, follow your reports. All right, this here is Theta. Remember, we had this rally alert coming into today. We got that upside production. Looks like this one is still going. I don't think we have a target on the upside. I think this thing is just wide open. Theta right now is wide open. So go Theta. All right, next up we have gold futures here. And as you can see, we have this rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Looks like this market is putting a short-term bottom. The overhead trend line resistance up at 1800 is the initial target for this move. Next up, we got silver futures. As you can see here, we have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. This one's already here at the overhead resistance zone right now. So the next target for this one, being that the trend line coincides with the bottom of the Kumo cloud, the initial target for this move will be 28. All right, $28 is the top side target on this one. So this is getting really interesting, ladies and gentlemen. All right, next up we got Facebook. So you can see here what happened. As you know, the NASDAQ futures rallied over 500 points today, and that kind of gave Facebook a lift here. So it's testing overhead resistance now around the $270 mark. But we do have a rally alert for this one for tomorrow. It should be noted that on this one, the market pretty much closed near the overhead trend line resistance. So we're looking for an initial target of $270 on this one. And if it can get a close above that tomorrow, chances are we put in a short-term bottom and the market's going to try to come back up here and take out this bullish pointer back here. All right, next up we got FLGT. All right, so FLGT doesn't have a whole lot of data, I don't think. I did add this to the report. So it should come out. It should be on the report. Let's see. So we had this rally alert here, and now the market's finally starting to get a little upside production. But it's right here at the overhead resistance is around $115 a share. So we'll see if it can get enough momentum to push beyond that and then make another run at the highs. But first things first, you got to overcome the $115 overhead resistance. Next up, we got XPEV traded on New York Stock Exchange. All right, this one is a new one, so we don't have a lot of data. I did add it to the reports, so as soon as we get enough data, it will auto populate in the report. So you've got to keep checking. Got a rally alert for tomorrow's trading on this one. Overhead resistance, trendline resistance around the $40 mark is going to be the target on this one. So rally alert on XPEV. All right, and next one we got here is on the ASX. All right, for all of our Aussies out there. This one is MXC or MGC Pharmaceuticals. Got a rally alert on this one, ladies and gentlemen. I think the initial target on this one is going to be around anywhere, probably about 10 cents. So we'll see. Right now it closed, look at close around 6 cents. So it looks like 10 cents is going to be the initial target on this one. So very interesting development. It looks like it's chilling out right here on the trend line support. And I think it's going to try to rally from there as a base. Last but not least, sticking with Australia. All right, on this one here, this is MKR, Manuka Resources. I think that's how you say that. All right, so this one has a rally alert for tomorrow's trading as well. Overhead trend line resistance, as you can see here, is the target on this one. All right, and that's all I got time for today, ladies and gentlemen. You know what it is. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. You know what it is. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Always use stop losses in these markets. It makes no sense whatsoever to give back all your profits, okay? So don't turn winning trades into losing trades. And you will never go broke taking profits. Remember that, okay? All right, I'm out. Peace. Oh, by the way, no pre-market PulseWave report, no morning PulseWave report at all tomorrow because I will be out of town. All right, peace.